My name is Matvey. I am the director of the company GLOBUS, specializing in elite furniture from China. All of us, when we come home, want to feel comfort, coziness, and privacy, to escape from the noise of the outside world. Eco style and Wabi-Sabi style are exactly what allow you to experience this to the fullest. This factory works in these directions. In addition, there are many models from the Parada brand on display. Watch this video until the end. We will show all the prices and a variety of models. The main principles of eco-style and Wabi-Sabi are the combination of natural materials and textures, such as wood, textiles, natural stone, and ceramics. Irregularities, cracks, and unfinished materials look especially striking. Use warm and earthy neutral colors: beige, sand, soft gray, muted green, terracotta, olive, natural lighting and greenery, windows without heavy curtains. A popular sofa model from the brand Paltrofrau. I've already seen it in person, and I like how neat and well made it is. Here is a sofa from the brand Restoration Hardware. It's not an exact copy, they were more inspired by it. Speaking of this sofa, what I didn't like here is that they use thin leather and have stitch folds, similar to what the brand Baxter does. But Baxter often uses thick leather or suede, and those stitched folds look much neater. Here, I would say it makes this sofa model look cheaper. In this case, it would be better to use a regular dense fabric without these stitched folds, and the sofa would look completely different. Take a look at the coffee table. This is a perfect match for the brand, or rather for the Wabi-Sabi and eco style. Natural travertine, natural wood, architectural shapes. It's made in a very interesting way. What do you think? I think it would work well. It's very versatile and would suit many styles. A dresser from the Sorrento brand. On top, there's a cabinet version made from light oak. The body is made from red oak, using veneer. A very interesting design. The only thing is, maybe in terms of cleaning, it's not very convenient because you have to wipe the dust here, right? There are such thin sections, but overall, I really like this design. I also want to show you in this area this shelf cabinet, a console, which is more suitable for use as a mini library. Pay attention to how the doors open. They use this kind of book-style opening mechanism. It opens quite easily, pleasantly, and closes just as well. What I liked is that you can put books and magazines right into this space, right? So it's an unusual design. The original version of this console cabinet cost from $6,000. This bed reminds me of the design by the brand Giorgetti. Look at this curved headboard. It sort of hugs you while you sleep and makes the space feel cozier. There are soft cushions here, so when you go to bed, you can relax half sitting, half lying down before sleep. Then when you're ready to sleep, you just move these cushions aside and basically you go to bed. The only nuance, in my opinion personally, I prefer straight headboards rather than curved ones, because I feel like there's a risk you might bump your elbow on it and it could be uncomfortable. But again, that's a matter of personal preference. This is a very popular model from the Parada brand. Our clients from America and Europe especially love this bed. Designer Giuseppe Vagano was inspired by architecture when he created this model. Just look at its clean and beautiful lines. The bed is made from boucle fabric and natural walnut. The designer has worked with brands such as Visionaire, Polyfoam, and many others. Here we also see the truly exquisite Icar coffee tables from the renowned Parada brand. Just look at the absolutely beautiful and intricately designed marble base of these elegant tables. With our dedicated company, you can easily customize these exceptional tables and conveniently order them in different heights and widths, precisely depending on what your specific project truly requires. Behind me, the sofa design from the factory features very beautiful flowing lines. To my right is a chair from the brand Moroso, which is very well known and popular. It can also be made with a swivel base. In fact, that's often quite convenient. Friends, as you may have noticed, every space is beautifully decorated, and you can find various items here, such as a lamp in the floss style. Here is this beautiful panel. All of this can be ordered from China, and our company specializes in turnkey supply of furniture, lighting, plumbing, and decor. You work with us through a single point of contact. You don't need to deal with dozens of companies or walk for miles in shopping centers. It's extremely convenient. Just send us your design project and we'll calculate. This factory has been on the market for over 25 years. They originally started out as manufacturers of classic wooden furniture, but gradually the global trend for such furniture began to decline, so they switched to styles like Wabi-Sabi, Eco-style, and Japandi. I think this was a very smart decision, and it's quite rare to see factories retool their production for other directions and in doing so not lose their clients. So you could say that in this case, the factory made a very wise move. In this room, I wanted to show you a designer table from the factory. Take a look at the architecturally interesting base of this table. The base is made of natural travertine, topped with glass. You don't often see such unique designs, and I believe it could truly become a highlight of your room. I also wanted to show you another model from the Parada brand. The model is called L&M. In its original version, this table has a base made of natural marble. Here, however, it is made from dark walnut veneer. The base and legs are crafted in the shape of crescents, which really highlights the uniqueness of the model. On top, you can add a rotating tray if you wish, change the materials and size. Everything can be customized to your taste. I want to show you an interesting and most importantly, comfortable sofa model. This sofa is modular, so you can assemble it in different configurations, for example, as shown here for larger, more open space, or you can create more classic arrangement. The sofa has a low seat and wooden elements, which immediately evoke a Japanese style. If you're designing your interior in the Wabi-Sabi style, I highly recommend taking a closer look at this model. It's a perfect set for your dining area. Take a look at this dresser. This is a dresser from the Parada brand. The model is called Masaya. As you might have guessed, it references the Maasai people. Here you can see carved wave-like patterns. This is a nod to Maasai clothing and design. I really like the functionality of this sideboard. Look, in the center there are 3 pull-out drawers for organizing, say, your cutlery, spoons, and other kitchen utensils. Push-open system, it gives you easy access and it's very convenient to use. And I pinched my finger here. And here we see a table with a marble tabletop. And I especially like its base here. It's very beautiful, made of dark walnut. I absolutely cannot skip over this particular living room option, especially considering that these specific models are consistently and highly requested, proving to be incredibly popular and well received by a vast majority of our valued clients, making them an essential consideration for any design project. To my left, there is a FlexForm sofa, the Perry model. Overall, I like this design. It's very comfortable to spend time and relax on it. The sofa is extremely comfortable. There's also a lounge chair here. It strongly resembles the designs of Hans Wegner, who created more than 500 chairs, 100 of which became iconic. Just imagine how productive that guy was. Here we see the designer, the sofa from the factory. It has a very minimalist look, a low seat, and I would say a classic appearance. Natural leather, a comfortable sofa for those who love leather sofas. Continuing the theme of Danish design and their love for ergonomics. Here's an interesting chair. Honestly, I wouldn't call its design simple. It's actually very, very interesting. And besides that, it's extremely comfortable. It can definitely become the highlight of your space. Friends, our company GLOBUS has been in the market for over 10 years. We work only with the best furniture manufacturers. We guarantee you super convenient service, great prices, and the best terms. In addition, our company has developed a unique product and online platform where you can choose furniture, arrange it by rooms, and see how much it costs. It's very convenient. Follow the link below. We've also prepared a bonus for you, a tour of this showroom without me. Just take a look at the models available because it's hard to show everything in a single video. This was Matvey, director of the GLOBUS company. See you next time.